Dear students, let's continue our story. Alas, it would not open any of them. However, on the second time round, she came upon a low curtain she had not noticed before, and behind it was a little door about 15 inches high. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her great delight, it fitted. Delight means joy. Alice opened the door and found that it led into a small passage, not much larger than a rat hole. She knelt down and looked along the passage into a loveliest garden you ever saw. How she longed to get out of that dark hall and wander about among these beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. But she could not even get her head through the doorway, and even if my head would go through, thought poor Alice, it would be of very little use without my shoulders. She went back to the table, half hoping she might find another key on it. This time she found a little bottle on it. Round the neck of the bottle was a paper label with the words, "Drink me," beautifully printed on it in large letters. It was all very well to say, "Drink me," but the wise little Alice was not going to do that in a hurry. After a while, Alice ventured to taste it. "What a curious feeling," said Alice. And so it was indeed. She was now only 10 inches tall, and her face brightened up at the thought that she was now the right size for going through the little door into that lovely garden. First, however, she waited for a few minutes to see if she was going to shrink any further. Shrink means grow smaller in size. After a while, finding that nothing more happened, she decided on going into the garden at once. Alas, for poor Alice, when she got to the door, she found she had forgotten the little golden key, and when she went back to the table for it, she found she could not reach it. She could see it quite plainly through the glass, and she tried her best to climb up one of the legs of the table, but it was too slippery. And when she had tired herself out with trying, the poor little thing sat down and cried. Soon her eye fell on a little glass box that was lying under the table. She opened it and found in it a very small cake on which the words, "Eat me," were beautifully marked. "Well, I'll eat it," said Alice, "and if it makes me grow larger, I can reach the key, and if it makes me grow smaller, I can creep under the door. So either way, I'll get into the garden, and I don't care what one happens." She ate a little bit and said anxiously, anxious means worriedly, to herself, "Which way? Which way?" holding her hand on the top of her head to feel which way it was growing, and she was quite surprised to find that she remained the same size. So she set to work and very soon finished off the cake. Thank you, students.